Good morning children. Welcome back to science class. Last class we studied from the chapter Transportation in Animals and Plants. We studied about circulatory system. That system consists of blood vessels and heart. Blood consists of plasma, RBC, WBC and platelets. Blood is red due to the presence of a red pigment called hemoglobin. In humans, blood flows through arteries and veins and the heart acts as a pumping organ. Arteries carry oxygenated blood from the heart to all parts of the body. Veins carry blood from all parts of the body back to the heart. Next is circulation in sponges and Hydra. Sponges and Hydra are simple animals that do not possess any circulatory system. They live in water and therefore the food and oxygen enter into their body along with water. The water also carries the carbon dioxide and other waste material away from the body as it moves out of their bodies. Next, we are going to discuss about excretion. The process of removal of waste materials produced in the cells of the living organism is called excretion. When our body uses food, water and air, it produces some byproducts or unwanted substances. These are called waste materials. These waste materials are toxic or poisonous and causes harm to the body. These poisonous substances, if get mixed with blood, may become fatal and may cause the death of an organism. Therefore, the waste material must be removed from the body so that a person may stay healthy. The process of removal of waste produced in the cells of the living organisms is called excretion. The parts involved in excretion form the excretory system. Next is the human excretory system. The human excretory system is made up of kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. A human being has two kidneys located in the abdominal cavity. Each kidney consists of a large number of coiled tubes called nephrons. The nephrons filter out waste products from the blood. The end product of this process is urine. Urine contains waste such as urea, ammonia and uric acid. The urine flows through two long tubes called ureters and collects in the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a storage sac for the urine. The urine ultimately is drained out of the body through the urethra. An adult human being normally passes about 1 to 1.8 liter of urine in 24 hours. The urine consists of 95% water, 2.5% urea and 2.5% other waste products. Different animals have different types of waste products. The way in which waste chemicals are removed from the body of the animal depends on the availability of water. Aquatic animals like fishes excrete cell waste as ammonia, which directly dissolves in water. Some land animals like birds, lizards, snakes excrete a semi-solid white-colored compound called uric acid. The major excretory product in humans is urea. Carbon dioxide produced as a waste product in our body cells during the process of respiration. The food is broken down during respiration to release energy and release carbon dioxide as a byproduct. This carbon dioxide is removed from our body by the lungs during exhalation. Therefore, lungs also act as an excretory organ for removing the waste product carbon dioxide from the body. Sometimes a person's kidneys may stop working due to infection or injury. As a result of kidney failure, waste products start accumulating in the blood. Such persons cannot survive unless their blood is filtered periodically through an artificial kidney. This process is called dialysis. Transport of substances in plants. Plants take up water and dissolved minerals from the soil through their roots and transport it to their leaves. The leaves use this water and mineral for synthesizing their food by the process called photosynthesis. The food produced by green plants is transported back to all parts of plant body. Therefore, it is clear that plants also need a transport system for carrying water, minerals and food through various parts of their body. Next is the transport of water and minerals. Plants absorb water and minerals by the roots. The roots have root hair. The root hair increases the surface area of the root for the absorption of water and mineral nutrients dissolved in water. The root hair is in contact with the water present between the soil particles. Plants have a pipe-like vessels to transport water and nutrients from the soil. The vessels are made up of special cells forming the vascular tissue. A tissue is a large group of cells that perform specialized function in an organism. The vascular tissue for the transport of water and nutrients in plant is called xylem. Xylem forms a continuous network of channels that connects roots to the leaves through the stem and branches and thus transports water to the entire plant. The food has to be transported to all parts of the plant. This is done by a vascular tissue called the phloem. Thus, xylem and phloem transport substances in plants. Next is the transpiration. Transpiration is a process in which plants lose water through the stomata in the form of water vapor. This results in water loss in the cells of the leaves and creates a pressure. The pressure helps to pull the water from the roots through the xylem of the stem to reach all the way to the leaves. So transpiration means a lot of water is lost by plants in the form of water vapor through stomata is called transpiration. Transpiration generates a force which pulls up water absorbed by the roots from the soil to reach the stem and leaves. Transpiration also cools the plant. Let us recall. Removal of waste products from the body is called excretion. Excretory system of humans consists of 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, a urinary bladder and urethra. Fish excrete waste substances such as ammonia, which directly dissolves in water. Birds, insects and lizards excrete uric acid in semi-solid form. Water and mineral nutrients are absorbed by roots from the soil. Nutrients are transported along with water to the entire plant via vascular tissue called xylem. The vascular tissue for the transport of food to the various parts of the plant is phloem. A lot of water is lost by plants in the form of vapor through the stomata during transpiration. Transpiration generates a force which pulls up water absorbed by the roots from the soil to reach the stem and leaves. I hope you understood this part. Thank you.